So yeah, something you guys don't know about my dog is that he loves treats. He's obsessed with them. He has, and I bought him yesterday some new little paws, right? And I I bought them only 3. They were like $5. Like, but I went to the Dollar General where I used to live, like near those apartments, and look, he finished it. Okay, now guys, he also is really smart, guys. He's really smart, and he can also do his tricks like the other way around. So let's show him, okay? Jump, 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 jump. Good boy. Okay. Sit. Okay. Stand. Oh my God. Like even though if I mix the way. Okay, which one you want? This one? This one? This one has cheese. He's gonna go, and once he's done with that, he's gonna come for more. I'm finished like all of these. Just wait for like a couple minutes, and then he'll be right back. It's so hot outside, guys. It's super hot outside. And I don't know what time my mom comes out of work, and I don't think so. We're going to the gym, so I'm going to do exercises at home. It's like 9 right now. Look, go. Did you finish it? Did you finish it? I'm gonna go check because the other day I gave him one of these and he didn't eat it. Did you really eat it? I'm gonna go check all that. And look, I also got him like this chicken. It's like a hard bone. But yesterday he was with, come right here. I'll give you another treat if you come here right here. Guys, he doesn't eat in my room. He takes it out. Look, he's leaving right now. And then he'll be right back. And this one's the last one. I can't give him anymore until like later tonight. I usually take these. I gave them yesterday like 4 at night. And I'm like, I felt so bad, guys. My cheeks were all hot. I'm like, Dad, feel my head. Like, I think it was a side effect from the 3rd vaccine or the 3rd shot I got. And my dad also said that his arm hurt so bad. He was, and he also had a headache. My brother had a headache like at 1 a.m. At 1 a.m. I think, or 2, or 3 a.m. What do you want? What does the need to bubble one? What does the need to bubble one? What's my treats, right? Yeah, you want my treats? Look, he's playing right here. He's sniffing. He's sniffing one of that, huh? He's right there. He found it. You found the treats. Guys, dogs have a really sense of smell. Look, you found it. Alright, yeah. Okay, this one's the last one, and then you're not getting no more until later, okay? Can I show at least the camera first, Coco? How this shit looks like. They're like like little. They're like, wait. We have to first to do a trick, right? Okay, it looks like this, guys. Oh, fingers. Oh, you're gonna step on my camera. Go on. Wait. That's the last one, okay? The last one. Look, he wants to open it. Okay, okay. Come here, come here. Alright, sit, stand, jump, jump. Oh, that was a big jump. Okay, look, he left again with a trick. Those were the tricks that I showed him. Guys, outside is so hot. So hot. Yeah. And look, I still have the band-aid, but it hasn't fallen off. Because today I'm going to be taking a shower and I don't want to go to the gym, guys, because it's so hot. Like all this week, it's going to be hot. I'm going to go check on my dad later. Just like we can't, like he's always like sleeping and like covering himself with a blanket, and right now it's really hot. He shouldn't be doing that. Guys, let me know if you want me to do. I went to New York for my mom's birthday, July 12th, and we stayed there July 13th, and on July 14th. We stayed at New York. It was so noisy, guys. We stayed like near Times Square, which there's a lot of like noise over there. So like if we want to move over there, be really careful, because they do so much noise, like so much noise, guys. Like I couldn't even explain it to you. So yeah.